Tired of scooping your products into a jar? Stick around and I'll show you how to pipe this lovely lemon pound cake scrub. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Vasha, owner of vashasvault.com. Today I will show you how to pipe whipped body scrub. Let's jump right in. Here I have an 18-inch pastry bag, and I'm going to insert my decorating tip into the bag. A coupler, which is used to secure the tip to the end of your pastry bag, is not necessary, as you will see that you can still pipe without one. I like to push my tip as far as I can before cutting the excess bag away to ensure that I do not remove too much of my bag. And that's it for step 1. Nice and simple. For step 2, I'm going to add my product to the bag. I prefer to use my hand to hold the bag when filling, as I feel that I have more control and I can add a large amount of product to my bag. You can also insert your bag into a cup and add your product that way. I always make sure to push my product down and scrape my spatula against my thumb, which is holding the bag in place. Please make sure that you do not overfill your bag. I am going to lay the bag flat on the table to push the product down and remove any air within the bag. You can use a scraper like I have to assist with pushing your product further into the bag. Once you have removed all air from the bag, you will twist the top of your bag and you are ready to start piping. You will place your bag in the middle of your jar and use the hand that you are holding your bag with to squeeze and your non-dominant hand to steer. Create a swirl using consistent pressure using your dominant hand. Continue this action until you reach the top. You will hold the bag with your dominant hand and also use that same hand to squeeze the bag. You will use your non-dominant hand to steer your bag. I like to start in the center when filling my jar and swirl outwards. Continue these actions and refill your bag as necessary until you have finished adding all of your product into your containers. Once finished, seal your containers and you're done.